Shalom Yeladim, it's good to see you guys. So, we've been talking about a big birthday celebration that's coming up this week for a very special country. Do you remember whose birthday it's going to be this week? That's right, it's going to be Israel's birthday, and we call it Yom Ha'atzmaut. Can we clap it out together? Ready? Yom Ha'atzmaut. Let's do it one more time. Yom Ha'atzmaut. Very good. So on birthdays, something that we've been talking about a lot is a lot of you like to celebrate birthdays by eating what? Cake, that's right. And we even made up our own delicious recipe for a birthday cake. If you remember, there were cookies in it, and strawberries, and whipped cream, and ice cream, and blueberries, and sugar, and eggs. Lots of yummy stuff went into that birthday cake and lots of love. So now, what do we put on top of a cake for a birthday? What do you think goes on top of a cake? That's right, birthday candles. Now, does anybody remember how old is Israel going to be this year? It's a really big number. That's right, Israel's going to be 72. Now, 72 is a lot of candles. Can you imagine a cake with 72 candles? That would be crazy. It would be like one big fire on a cake, right? Well, tomorrow we are going to have our Zoom call with our class, and we are going to pretend to have all the candles for Israel's birthday, all 72, but pretend candles, and to blow them out. So to make our pretend candles, all you need is a piece of paper of any color and scissors, okay? Or if you want, you can just rip your paper. So what I want everybody to do is I want everybody to cut out 7 strips of paper, okay? Now if you want, you can just start cutting. Okay, I'm cutting mine all the way across. So here's 1, and I can do it all the way until I get to 7. Or maybe you want to make sure that you have enough, and so you want to draw your lines to make sure you're cutting out the right amount. Sorry guys, I'm trying to make sure you can see. So maybe you want to do it so that you count out 7. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6, and then I just had my 7. So you can also do that, and then we can cut along the line. That way you know that you got enough. So I'm going to follow my line. Now remember, when we use scissors, our thumb goes in the small hole, and our other fingers, 2 or 3, go in the big hole. And do we have thumbs up to the sky or thumbs on the bottom? I know a lot of you like to do it this way, thumbs on the bottom, but we actually do it thumbs up to the sky, okay? Okay, so we're going to cut along the line. Okay, until we get our 7. Now, if you don't want to cut, something else you could do is tear. We could also tear along the line. So you could pinch the paper in 2 places, okay? And sometimes tearing can be tricky. And you're going to tear 1 hand forward and 1 hand back. So I could also tear my paper to make my candle. Okay.
Don't do that anymore.
You might hear Charlie in the background here because she's right here. You want to say hi, Char?
Hi.
They can't see you. You want to come over here so they can see you?
Hi.
Yeah, that's our Charlie. So now I have, let's count how many candles. Hold on, Peanut.
I want to make a picture for them at this paper.
Charlie's doing a nice Mitzvah. She's making a birthday picture for her friend Zev in her class.
Here's
That's Zev's picture. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to count the candles that we've made. Ready?
Oh, I just here to make several.
Okay, hold on. I'm going to count with my class chart, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3,
What?
4, 5, 6, 7. So I made 7. So I'm going to bring all my candles to our call on Tuesday, tomorrow. So then when we're all together, we're going to hold up all of our candles so that we have 72 candles, because that's how old Israel's turning. Now, I'm going to tell you on the call how many candles to hold up. I might have you only hold up 6 candles. Or maybe I only have you hold up 5 candles. So you'll have to count how many candles I ask, and that's how many you'll hold up. Okay? And if you want, you can decorate these candles. You can use different colored paper. However you want to make your candles is awesome, and I can't wait to see them. Go have fun with it, and I'll see you tomorrow on the call, and I look forward to seeing your candles. Shalom, Yeladim.